Ka-52 Alligator with NATO reporting name Hokum B is an all-weather combat helicopter developed by Kamov Design Bureau. It is a twin-seat version of the Ka-50 helicopter. The main scope of design of this gunship is to attack armored and unarmored ground targets, low-speed aerial targets, and personnel at the front line and in tactical depth. It is also deployed as a surveillance platform and aerial command post for a group of attack helicopters. The gunship is able to perform combat operations, day or night, in all weather conditions. With side-by-side seat arrangements, it can also be used as a training helicopter. This chopper had its first maiden flight in 1997. Russian Air Force began fielding Ka-52 helicopters in April 2011. Alligator will replace the Ka-50 Black Shark fleet that is in service with the Russian Air Force. Ka-52 incorporates a slightly modified design of the Ka-50 helicopter. The helicopter features a wider nose and an extended fuselage due to its twin-seat cockpit. The commonality of the airframe, components, and systems of the two variants is about 85%. As far as design is concerned, it is based on the Ka-50 airframe. The front fuselage section of the Ka-52 was redesigned to incorporate a two-seat side-by-side cockpit. It features a wider nose due to reduced cockpit armor and the nose-mounted radome. The 30mm cannon and 6 wing-mounted hardpoints of the Black Shark were retained in Alligator. The helicopter has a catapult crew rescue system integrating an ejection and rocket parachute. The modern glass cockpit is equipped with a head-up display, 4 SMD66 multifunction displays, a helmet-mounted sight display, image intensifiers, and a GPS receiver. The multiplexed bus system coordinates several tasks including piloting, navigation, and weapons control on the battlefield. Other systems include navigation and attack systems for helicopters, in short NASH, and Nader-10 navigation systems. Its nose-mounted radome houses a Phasotron FH-01mm wave radar with 2 antennas for aerial and ground targets. The radar has an earth mapping range of 32 km and a detection range of 25 km for ground targets and 15 km for aerial targets. The radar, designated as FH-01, is also known as the arbalete, or crossbow, as opposed to Lockheed Martin longbow millimeter wave radar for the AH-64E Apache. Unlike the longbow antenna housing, the FH-01 housing display does not offer 360-degree coverage. Being provided at a front, it offers quadrant coverage only. Protection includes electronic protection and means of active countermeasures. The helicopter is equipped with active IR and electronic jamming units, Pastel RWR, Mak IR, and Otklik laser warning systems. As a countermeasure, wingtip fairings can fire chaff and flare decoys to deceive incoming anti-aircraft missiles. Fuel tanks are made of explosion-proof materials. The Ka-52 has 6 external wing stores for anti-tank missiles, rockets, and air-to-air missiles. Extreme 2 hardpoints can only be armed with IGLA-5 air-to-air missile, while internal 4 are multi-role and can be equipped with a combination of 80mm rocket pods, Ataka or Vickers anti-tank guided missiles, gun pods, and fuel drop tanks. In one deadliest configuration, it can carry 12 Ataka or 12 Vickers guided missiles along with 4 IGLA-5 short-range heat-seeking air-to-air missiles and 2 drop tanks. Vickers missile has a range of 8 to 10 kilometers. The starboard side of the fuselage is fitted with an NPPU-80 movable gun mount installed with 2 A42 30mm automatic gun which can fire high fragmentation, explosive incendiary, or armor-piercing rounds. Gun has a maximum rate of fire of 550 rounds a minute and can engage lightly armored targets within the range of 1500 meters, soft-skin targets and infantry at ranges up to 4000 meters, and air targets flying at low altitudes. Alligator is powered by 2 Klimov VK-2500 turboshaft engines driving 2 coaxial contra-rotating main rotors. Each engine produces a maximum takeoff power of 2500 shaft horsepower. The engines are equipped with a new full-authority digital control system. It can fly at a maximum altitude of 5,500 meters. The maximum and cruise speeds of the helicopter are 300 and 260 km per hour respectively. It can climb at a rate of 12 meters per second. The Ka-52 has a practical flight range of 460 kilometers, while its ferry flight range is 1,100 kilometers. In comparison, AH-64E Apache is powered by 2 General Electric T700-701D engines. Each one is capable of generating 2,000 shaft horsepower. Apache can fly at a maximum altitude of 6,000 meters. Its maximum speed is 340 km per hour and has a ferry range of 1,896 km. Ka-52 has a maximum takeoff weight of 10,800 kg while Apache has 10,500 kg, which is nearly the same. Now empty weight of Ka-52 is 7,700 kg while Apache weight is 5,165 kg. This shows Alligator has more armor, fuel, and has ejectable seats. Additional weight is compensated by more powerful engines than Apache. But Apache engines are more efficient in providing nearly double the ferry range, while combat range of both choppers is nearly same, that is 450 kilometers. These all are the specification of Alligators which were developed after Black Shark. Currently, it is going through the series of upgrades based on deficiencies found during testing in Syria. Major upgrades are regarding engines and electro-optical systems. Russian helicopters from start had technical issues and software fix, but world sanctions and nation's economic crisis slowed down progress for upgrading. Egypt had decided to buy more AH-64E Apaches after country's armed forces faced technical difficulties with Russian-made Ka-52 helicopters. In hot climate conditions, engine of Ka-52 significantly lost its power in different flight regimes. Also, avionics and navigation systems are untrustworthy, which can give rise to an accident situation. After upgrades, Ka-52 will be more reliable to operate.